My name is Vaidyanathan. I'm here to talk about the micro specialization on quantum computing. As you know, quantum computing is the latest emerging cutting edge technology. It's part of our subfield of computer science and engineering, where we use quantum theory and quantum mechanics. The reason quantum computing has caught the imagination of the world is because even the best of the best supercomputers of today, they are classical digital computers. They cannot solve complex problems. Something like molecule simulation, decryption, encryption. They can, even if they are able to solve it, it takes a lot of time for the classical computers to look. Quantum computing, on the other hand, can solve complex problems within a fraction of a second. For example, it can factorize a large 35-digit number into two prime numbers within a matter of 30 to 40 seconds, whereas a supercomputer will take more than 30-40 years to do it. And another important field is drug discovery. Typically, any pharmaceutical company spends more than 3 to 5 years today to come up with a new molecule for a drug, and that takes, as I said, anywhere between 3 to 5 years. With quantum computers, the same drug simulation or molecule simulation can be done within a matter of 3 to 6 months. So, and another thing about quantum computing is that it's basically nature is quantum by itself. So if you take the real world, it's a quantum in nature. So one of the things we will be discussing about quantum computing in this micro specialization course, there are 3 courses. One is the foundational course on fundamentals of quantum computing, which we will cover in the 5th semester, and it will be a 4-credit course, followed by 2 follow-on courses focusing on primarily domains. In the 6th semester, in the follow-on course, we will be focusing on the manufacturing domain. It will be a 3-credit course, whereas in the 7th semester, we will be focusing on banking and financial services industry, which is a very, very important industry for quantum computing. Again, a 3-credit course. So looking forward to teaching and learning along with you on the quantum computing micro specialization. Thank you.